Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and disconnecting the keyboard so you can work safely. Once unplugged, use compressed air at a 45 degrees angle to blow under the keys. This dislodges crumbs and dust that cause phantom presses. Make sure to test the keyboard on another device or in BIOS to determine whether the issue is hardware-related versus software. If a wireless keyboard, swap batteries now. These quick checks save time and tell you the correct next step. You now perform deeper work. Remove keycaps carefully while photographing the layout for reassembly. Once caps are off, use a soft brush and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to clean around switches and contacts. Let everything dry completely. While drying, boot to your OS and disable sticky keys or filter keys, then update or reinstall keyboard drivers to rule out software glitches. Make sure to reconnect and test frequently during this process, so you can detect improvement early and avoid unnecessary steps. You finish by reinstalling keycaps and reconnecting the keyboard, then methodically test each key using an online key tester or built-in diagnostic so you catch intermittent faults. If a specific switch is repeating on a mechanical board, replace that switch module or consult warranty support. Once done, perform a firmware reset if available or roll back recent OS changes. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: try the keyboard on a clean install or another computer to isolate persistent hardware defects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.